It's time for another round of hypotenuse or shorty. So when you're doing Pythagoras, it's important to know if you are trying to find the hypotenuse or either of the short sides. It doesn't really matter if it's the shortest side, just as long as it's one of the shorter sides, but there will only ever be one hypotenuse, which is the longest side. Sometimes the triangles can be shown rotated and it makes it more difficult to figure out if it's the hypotenuse or shorty that you're looking for. Here's the same triangle turned round. We're trying to find this side. Is it the hypotenuse or is it a shorty? This one is in fact a hypotenuse, and the reason I know is because it does not touch the right angle. The hypotenuse will always be across from the right angle. It will never touch the right angle. And you can have some fun yourself and try and build a triangle where the hypotenuse is touching the right angle and just prove to yourself it's not possible. So in this case, because I know it's a hypotenuse I'm looking for, my steps to find that missing length would be square the sides I know, add them, and then square root. If you're in the habit of using algebra for your Pythagoras, this would be c squared equals a squared plus b squared. On this triangle here, these lengths look very similar, but this one is touching the right angle, which means it is not the hypotenuse. The 17 is the hypotenuse, and we're trying to find a shorty. When you want to find a short side, your steps are square the sides you know, subtract them, and square root. In algebra, this is usually shown a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. These two formulas are the same, they're just rearranged. Usually c means the hypotenuse, but you can use whichever letters you want. Go get it.